Hello YouTube, and I'm back with another video here. We got Mr. Jeff Gordon in the background there for this one, because this is a milestone here on the Tim Mosey channel. I have a rare box break, and that is going to be Nascar Fanfare 2012. My first hobby box in years, I would say. Probably the last one I've done since one of the TNA Impact Wrestling releases. And this is going to have a lot of hits. Got this box for a real good price on eBay. It has 4 autographs and 4 memorabilia cards in each box. And with the help of Everett Wenzel out there, he had a coupon for $15 off, $75. And I had some PayPal saved up, so I figured. Been wanting to bust something for a while, so let's see what we can get. Hopefully some autographs and some memorabilia cards of drivers that I don't have. We'll get right into it, and we'll try to save. I'm not sure how these are packaged in the pack, what order the autographs are, but I'll try to save the autographed packs till last. If I do see one, I'll put it aside. But it does include what they call a power pack with an extra. Most of the time it's like a parallel, so we'll start off with that first. And the parallel is going to be number 1 card in the set, and that is going to be Eric Almirola. So 3 of 20, so that's pretty good so far. He is doing fairly well now. Has a compression fracture of one of his vertebrae from that bad wreck. But I guess that is the hollow foil. Then we have Dale Jr. on the packs. So that's what they look like. And we have Joe Nemechek. We'll have a little player there. Who is this? John. Can't read that. For the King. Never heard of him. And we got a Hall of Fame card. Lynn Wood. And our power rankings is Casey Kane, so that's neat. And then we got another die cut, and that is Timothy Peters. So I love the looks of these cards. They're really nice, sharp looking, and our hit is going to be Gray Goulding. I think that guy is a rookie. Krispy Kreme donuts, so that's a neat sponsor there. Glove, and it's out of 125, so that's pretty neat. This back in the pack. I need to get some sleeves, some magnetics. Not sure, that may be okay. Okay, we got Kenny Wallace. Oh, that has an autograph. I'll set that to the side. And I'm seeing a little bit of ink down at the bottom. this one has another autograph, so they have a decoy in them, so that's kind of easy to tell. Move on to the next one. This one going to be an autograph. I think this one's got a race use. So we have Kevin Harvick, Rusty Wallace. I think these just pop with that gold foil. Really nice cards. We got a Young Guns of Ryan Blaney out of 25. That is nice. Love that one there. I guess that is the silver. Looks like the silver, so that's pretty nice. Like that. Then we got a Jimmy Johnson Power Rankings. Pardon me for the glare. Then we got a Greg Biffle die cut. And then our hit is going to be out of 99 Denny Hamlin fire suit. So got a 3 collar there. 1, 2, 3 breaks. So that's pretty nice. I like that. And Ryan Blaney, who's doing pretty good this year, out of 25, 1 out of 25 at eBay L101. Moving on. Do we have? Okay, that is a memorabilia card. We have Ernie Irvan. We have, who is this? Ty Dillon, who is Denny Hamlin. I mean, it's not Denny Hamlin. Sorry about that. Denny Wagner's favorite now, since his former favorite retired. Then we got a Showtime of Mr. Denny Hamlin. And we got Carl Edwards Power Rankings. And our hit is going to be Jason Bowles. 72 of 125 glove. So another one I do not have. A rookie, so to speak. And we've got 5 packs to go. It's going to be race used, yes. We have a Joey Coulter. Danica Patrick, that's nice. Kurt Busch. We have a Martin Truex Jr. And a die cut of Jeb Burton. That's my first card of him. And our race use is going to be... Okay, we've got 41 of 99. And that's... Oh, that is signed. So that kind of fooled me there. Martin Truex out of 99. So one card. Love those. That is a nice one. So that was pretty sweet. I have I think maybe 2 of Martin Truex. 2 autographs. But that is neat nonetheless. I think this has an autograph. So the last pack before we get into the autographs here should be race used. And we have another Kurt Busch, Joey Logano, a Showtime of Carl Edwards. And our power rankings is Matt Kenseth. That one looks different than the others. I don't know if that's a parallel or different color. And then we have Kurt Busch again. And our hit will be Jimmy Johnson. Oh, that is sweet. Look at that shoe. Out of 75. So can't complain about a hit of Jimmy Johnson. 7-time NASCAR champion. Going for number 8 this year. So we'll go to this pack. Okay, this has Joey Coulter. Another Danica Patrick, like that. Or Paul Menard. And, oh, we got a die cut. Sam Hornish Jr. And the autograph is going to be Ross Christian. Christine, is that how you pronounce that? So, a rookie there. Didn't have his autograph. We have Kenny Wallace. Trevor Bayne, nice guy. We've got Ryan Newman. And die cut is Dale Earnhardt Jr. That is nice. Sweet. And then our autograph will be Jamie McMurray. So, and that is 4 of 99. And our last hit, our last autograph will be, we got Reagan Smith, Jamie McMurray base, Greg Biffle. So that must be just different collars on the borders. So it's probably no parallel, those gold ones. The die cut is Dale Jarrett. And our autograph is going to be Ryan Truex. Went off the card, and that is out of 75. I didn't have any autographs of him, so that is neat. And I think the hit of the box was probably the Martin Truex autograph materials card. And that will wrap it up for this box break of 2012 Press Pass Fanfare. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.